Okay, we are out here with our FlyBear FX-820 SU-35 two-channel micro ParkJet, and the wind this morning is 5 to 8 out of the northeast, so I don't know how this is going to go, but we're going to go ahead and throw it into the wind. Nudge, nudge, nudge. Oh yeah, he's definitely floating in the wind. It's really overcast today. Sure picks up some steam going downwind. Floating. Almost waited too long to get back on the throttle there. Going downwind now. Wind's picking up. Coming back into the wind. Five to 8 mile an hour wind. Downwind. Got to throttle up. Turn it into the wind. I know it's probably hard to see this on this video. Back into the wind. Actually, the wind's kind of lightening up a little bit now. Nudge, nudge, nudge. Back into the wind. Climbing back into the wind. Nudge, nudge, nudge. Get it to turn. Am I a brave man for flying this thing in this wind? There we go, into the wind. Nudge, nudge, nudge. Get her to turn back around. Into the wind. Into the wind, and it's picking up now. This is a fun little two-channel plane, I have to say. And it's getting out there, I don't know, about 60, 70 meters when I'm turning it around because the wind's pushing it further out. So we go into the wind again. Turning downwind. It's really getting pushed downwind. Turning it back into the wind. See if we can float her down a little bit. nudge, nudge, nudge. Come on, turn around. Throttle up going downwind. Nudge, 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 into the wind. Float. Yeah, this little plane is a lot of fun. Turn into the wind, nudge, nudge, nudge. Turn, nudge, nudge, nudge. Turn into the wind. Climbing into the wind. And the wind has let up quite a bit now. It was supposed to be 2 to 4 this morning. And when I first got here, I took out my wind meter and it was 5 to 8. So I wasn't sure about flying this little guy today, but seems to be doing all right. Float. Ooh, that was close. Nudge, nudge, nudge. Nudge, nudge, nudge. Pretty neat little plane. Let's float it in a little bit. Too cool. Nudge, nudge, nudge. Don't want to hit the truck. That would be bad. Nudge, nudge, nudge. And I can tell it's losing a little bit of power now. I don't know how long I've been flying, but I can tell on throttle up that it's starting to lose a little bit of RPM. Nudge, nudge, nudge. Nudge, nudge, nudge. Yeah. I'm not feeling much wind now. Nudge, nudge, nudge. Just flying figure eights with it. Caught a little bit of wind there. Whoa, that was a close one. Yeah, I think we're going to bring it in now. I think it's getting a little mushy. Make another circuit through here, turn it back into the wind, and see if I can float her in for a landing or a catch, maybe. I think the wind, yeah, the wind is shifting direction on me. All right, come on, turn. Oh, well, I couldn't get to it fast enough. Pretty fun little plane though, huh? That was flight number 3 of this little guy, and unfortunately I only have 2 batteries for it, so we're going to change out the battery, and we're going to throw it in the wind again before the wind picks back up. Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out our Patreon site because we have a lot of free content there as well. And I will see you in the air.